going to go into the first panel, which will be a panel we framed the legal panel. So I'd like to invite our 5 panelists up to the front. So we have 5 panelists. I will be introducing them before I ask them to speak. I haven't told them yet the order. Now I'm going to tell you, and they might hear it at the same time. But John Baker will be the first to speak, and then Sandy Levinson, and then Barbara Perry, Nick Dranius, and I'm sorry, Nick, is that the way I say your name?
Perfect.
Great. And then Professor Lawrence Tribe. So I'd like to invite John Baker, if you'd like, to begin, and if you want to come up here, it's fine.
Thank you, Larry.
I'll tell you when you
Can
come.
I? This is. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
I didn't introduce you. I want to introduce you. I'm sorry, I didn't do the only job I have up here, which is to introduce people. So, John Baker is a distinguished scholar in residence at Catholic University of the American Law School, and he's a professor emeritus at Louisiana State University Law School, where he had been the Dale Bennett Professor of Law. He has taught everywhere, including Georgetown, Tulane, George Mason, Pepperdine, New York Law School, Hong Kong University, and University of Dallas. He's a visiting professor at University of Lyon in France since 1999, and has lectured all across the world. He received his honors from the University of Michigan Law School and graduated magna cum laude from the University of Dallas. He has earned a PhD in political thought from the University of London. So now I would formally like to welcome you back to the stage.
Thank you very much. It's a great pleasure to be here. The first thing I'd like to do is to applaud our co-chairmen for their emphasis on civilized debate. The understanding at the founding was that a republic required that kind of public debate. And in order to debate civilly, you have to agree on something in order to disagree civilly. And the fundamental thing that seems to unite everyone is a dissatisfaction with our representation in Washington. And it may be because they're not doing what Mark Meckler said was his job. He was describing really the function of a mediator, that is, to translate between two sides. And the founders